What is happening, guys? We are live now. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shrey, and you are watching Shrey TV, baby. How are you? What is happening? Sorry, I was really busy. Sometimes I have to make money. So I was busy trading. I haven't slept since 35 hours, but I did really good. Really good. Really, really, really good. Made some crazy buco money. Yeah, man. So I'm excited and sleepy at the same time, but I wanted to come back and let you know, calm your nerves down. Like, people get nervous, man. I get messages on Instagram and my Patreon, everywhere else. But don't worry, man. Don't worry. We are on the course. We knew what was going on for a long time, right? So we are still on track. Nothing has changed, right? If you listen to the video, you will know what I said here. So that's the reason I didn't come online, and I was focusing on trading because I wanted to make that capital so that I can reinvest in, certain coins that pump. I would take the pump money out and put that in other coins, or hold the cash back for the altcoins to dump, because some altcoins have not reached their bottom. But anyways, Bitcoin. Well, this was the video that we put on 11 days ago, right? When Bitcoin came down to here, what is it? In this video, Bitcoin was, I think, $17,000 or something like that, right? Be worried. The wick, goes here. I wouldn't be worried. I think we are going back to $30,000. First stop, 29,200. That would come pretty quick. 29,200. This was when Bitcoin was $27,000. When we had this huge dump, I said that we will go to $30,000, right? So everyone was skeptical. I said we'll go to $30,000. We'll go to 30,000, and we'll come back down for a retest, second time. And yeah, so it was all given, right? This was before we pumped to 30,000. I said that we were going to dump, okay? And then we were going to pump. Listen, it would come pretty quick. And after that, we go to $30,000 and then come back down to possibly 28.7, 28.7, 28.6. Yeah, that's how I think it's going to play out, the Bitcoin. All right, we are going to 29,250 pretty quickly. Okay, it's going to happen quick. Consolidate a little bit, and then $30,000. All right, I'll see you later. Okay, this was the video, and then the second video. Once we pumped to $30,000, it reached our $30,000 level. That's it. The point is, it reached that level. Now, come on, man. These ads are killing me. Stop it. Consolidate, go down, and probably hit this level, 27.5, 27.4. Again, people will be like, oh my God, we are going down, and Bitcoin will say, fuck you, okay? And it'll go up, okay? This is what's going to happen, okay? And this is when you are going to get your alt season, when Bitcoin goes ballistic right here. And so nothing has changed, okay? We are still on the same page. Bitcoin did exactly what we said it was going to do, right? Look at this. It's just like perfect pattern, man. Look at that. It made a perfect pattern, like the way described in the video. We made this pattern before this pattern was formed. That's why it's called pattern recognition. That's why technical analysis comes into handy. We did this before we had this pump, right? So, yeah, will we dump one more time all the way to $27,000? It's possible, but I do not think so, okay? I do not think so. I think this is it. We get out of here, and then we start pumping. And where do we pump to? I think we pumped to the first stop would be $31,000. I think $31 to $32,000 would be where we would consolidate. Like, we might spend a day or two here possible, and then, go to between $31 to $32,000, and there we consolidate here a little bit more before we head to $35,000. Okay. That's how I think it's going to play out. An ultimate target is $40,000. I found something else that will excite you. Okay. And, if my calculations are right, I would like to claim that it's possible. Okay, it's possible the way Bitcoin is going. Not only $40,000 could be a pit stop. It could be just a pit stop to $72,000. Okay, $72,000 Bitcoin, and that could happen. I know you'll be like, this guy's smoking something. Yes. $72,000 Bitcoin could happen by the end of the year. End of the year, $72,000 is possible, right? But $40,000 is where I would say that some sort of huge resistance will come. We will spend a lot of time around $40,000, okay, before we go up. We would do something like what we did here, like here and here. So some sort of consolidation would happen at $40,000 before we move back up. Okay, that's how I see it. Stop at $32,000, consolidate a little bit, go straight up to $35,000 to $36,000, consolidate a little bit, and then go to 40, consolidate, and then go to $72,000. Yep, that's my target. And then a real bad dump from there. I will not say to what amount that we are going to dump, but the dump will be bad. Okay. So, this is too much futuristic stuff for you. We will do baby steps. Things could change if the cycle shows me that things are changing. But the way things are going, it looks like this will come into fruition. Okay, let's play some music. Guys, I have not been live because I was trading shit coins, okay, since past 2 days. I haven't slept. And I'm really happy. Did really good on those coins. Bought both coins. I bought ERSDL at the bottom, and there's another coin. I'll keep that coin just for my Patreons right now, because I have to give something special to my Patreons. So bought the coin at the bottom. The market cap of that coin is only $280,000. So phenomenal, man. Just bought it and forget it. So I don't know much about what it does. I just really like the chart, and I think it has the ability to pump almost not just 100%, 150%, possibly. Yeah, it's peanut. The market of $280,000. That's nothing. So, how's everyone? How is everyone doing? No, I don't need moderation. Bitcoin Baijan, Shrey TV time. Yeah, man. Cadillac Crypto. What's up, Shrey? Epic Cash. How are you, brother? Alex Wright, Shrey. What's up, kid? Good, man. Realism, Shrey TV, baby. William Carroll, hola. How are you, Bill? Bill is all relaxed. He was in Mexico enjoying the music festival. Right, Bill? Got some punani. Okay. Guys, make sure to hit that like. Do not forget. Do not forget. What is happening? What is happening? I aped into shit coins. Okay. I got a question from one of my patrons. They were like, "Hey man, the website don't look good." I was like, I don't give a fuck what the website looks like. The chart looks good. There are coins. I have a budget of my portfolio. It's dedicated just for shit coins, okay? I don't see the fundamentals. I don't do too much research. It's just like, why do you buy meme coins? Does it have any utility? No. You still buy shit coins, just to pump, to make money, right? That's what I do. If I find a chart which is down 99%, and if it looks like it's going to pump in like near future, then when I say near future, that means any day, then I would go all in. Me and my buddy were buying this coin at the same time, and I kept on like ka-ching, 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 buying, right? And he was like, you don't put order, Shrey? Like limit order or this, that? I was like, dude, the thing is down 99.90%. You're going to be cheap here now? You can't mess around when the thing is down 99.90%. Because only one move, a 20% move, can affect you, like in a massive way. So trying to, get like 2 or 5% discount, you don't want to take a chance. So I was just buying like boom, boom, boom. Right? Yeah. But yeah, it was fun. It was fun. But guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet who loves crypto and my crypto bros. My crypto bros. How are you? Can you believe that? I'm so pumped. It feels like I'm on like cocaine or something. I never did drugs, okay? But it feels like I know how the sensation, because I've done a lot of research. But I've been up, man. Crypto, it just makes you feel so high and energetic. It's just unbelievable. When you, especially when you're doing well. Feels good, man. Feels good. I think it's the best thing ever. Oh, man, love it. So, let's see what is happening with the markets. What's pumping? IDEX, measly pump, 19%. My ERSDL, look at my ERSDL, the one that we bought at the bottom. ERSDL. I gave you and everybody. This coin I gave to everybody, okay? On Twitter. I gave it on Twitter. I gave it on my Patreon. To everybody, okay? Look. Ain't lying. Because I was feeling generous. There are a lot of good people on Twitter as well. So, see, I gave the coin at the bottom. Right here. Price was 0.002315. 0.002315. So usually, sometimes when I buy or sometimes before I buy, I put, charts. I don't buy every project that I put on my Patreon, but I do put majority. So if I'm really convinced, I feel really good about it. I ape in these projects. Like, I did RGT. I gave it to my Patreon. I don't know how many people looked at it, but Rari governance token pumped almost 20x, guys. 20x from the price that I gave you. If you're a Patreon, if I post something, you better look at it, okay? I only post because I feel like, man, this is really good. It's at the bottom, right? So, where was I? Okay. I'm getting a little nauseous. Because of lack of sleep. Okay, this coin here, let me show you. ERSDL is where? Right here. From here, I posted 0.02 something right here. I posted here, and look, 85%. Right from the bottom, it has pumped 124%. Man, I feel so good. This thing's gonna do well. I feel once it's done with this consolidation, this last dip is left, probably might dip to this level. Right. Look at this. Might dip to this level, 0.026, or maybe might go to 0.025. A wick could go. But once this dip is over, this thing's going to the moon, baby. The next pump will be from whatever the price it is, it'll be somewhere around 100% pump, man. 100% pump. Say it goes down to this level. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it goes to 0.0055547 wick. Yeah, 100%. Between 80 to 100% move, I would expect for this coin. Yeah, I would not be surprised if this thing pumps to that level in next few days. Maybe 2-3, could be in 2 days, could be tonight. But that's where it's going. Or something like that. And then come back. If you have a huge crash, come back down for a retest of this level before we go back up again. Okay. That's how I think it's going to play out for Unfederal Reserve, ERSDL. ERSDL, I feel, will consolidate here a little bit today. Come back down to this level, probably 0.002697 will be the level. Once we hit that level, a massive pump up to 0.005 or 0.006. Once that is done, have a massive crash back down to 0.003558. And once that is done, we pump back up again. Guys, I'm really bullish about this coin. This thing's gonna pump massive. Right here. That's another level that I'm looking for. Once that is done, you might have... There will be several crashes. The journey up will not be easy. There will be several crashes before we move back up. This will be the level I'll be looking at. 0.01 would be the level where I would take some profits. I would take some profits right here. You know, in this vicinity, anywhere in this vicinity. Sometimes I take profit early, but this is where I'll be taking profits in ERSDL, because I do expect, again, the whole thing would come back down like that, right before the next leg up. That's how I see ERSDL. Blake, I got some of the coin today you talked about. Okay, nice. Voice trades. Yeah, it's really low market cap, man. I was like, how, Blake, we can't lose. You know, I feel it's an asymmetric bet. Once you mentioned that the site, there was an issue with the site, so I went back on the site to take a look at it. It's just a different language. You just have to click English, right? And you're able to see the site in English. Okay, I don't want to say more because then I would give away. But was trades, crypto and NFTs. Yo, what's happening, brother? Wojak was pumping hard as well. Okay, Wojak. Where do you buy Wojak? See, meme coins, if there's a season for meme coin, then you should take a look at this coin, man. I really like this coin here. Right there. I think meme season comes in. You know, I keep on reminding you because we have so many coins, man. Sometimes it gets overwhelming and you forget. Okay, this is only a $22 million market cap. It's called Doge Chain. And this coin is specifically made for Dogecoin. Right. And I do think this thing's gonna pump massive pump, you know, 10 to 12x, maybe 15x pump, you know, for this coin. I would not be surprised. Again, but the market cap is $22 million, and this coin, the only utility this coin has It'll make sure that Doge could be utilized in DeFi and other ways. That's what this Doge chain blockchain does. Okay. So I think money would come in into this, especially just because Elon Musk is after Doge, man. When Doge pumps, this Doge chain's gonna pump, and Doge is gonna pump, you know? So this thing looks crazy. If it comes out, see, there is a chance of a flash crash. Flash crash to this level, okay? It's possible. That's why I've marked this. But it might happen on a different exchange and you won't even notice. Flash crash means it goes back up right away, right? And then this is how I expect. Whenever it starts pumping, that's how I see it pump and consolidate here for a long time before we go for our next leg up. Okay, that's how I see it. But this is the 0.02 is the level. You know, I never say a specific level. I like to be in a rectangle, like in a zone. And I am not greedy. I usually start taking profits easing out, because around here, right? I start easing out on coins. I never stay at the top because it's risky. It's risky, right? I start selling as we are going up, right? Gradually. If I were to come out of a project, right? Because at the top, sometimes it stays there for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or just a wick goes to the top, right? You don't want to take a chance because you want a good amount of profit. Bunkim, thank you, Shrebai, for giving the market update. Yeah, man, I'm not worried about it. You know, very bullish on Bitcoin and altcoins. Right now, I would say more bullish on Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks crazy. Bitcoin, if you guys have missed and just joined channel, I've mentioned this way back in our videos. Way back in these videos, I mentioned what was going to happen when Bitcoin crashed at $30,000. I mentioned that, hey man, we are going to pump. Don't need to worry. Don't need to worry about Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin, if it goes any lower than this, then I'll be worried about Bitcoin. I wouldn't be worried. The wick, you know, goes here. I wouldn't be worried. I think we are going back to $30,000. First stop, 29,200. That would come pretty quick. 29,200 would come pretty quick. And after that, we go to $30,000 and then come back down to. So see the pump and the dump. It was projected, brother. It was projected way ahead of the time. Let's delete everything. What I was showing you was this channel of Bitcoin right there. The price action that I showed you was here. See how I mentioned, this is when I made that video. The price was revolving around $27,000. And I said that we will go to $30,000, and we did kiss 30,000 exactly, right? And I said that we were going to dump, and we dump to 27,600. Okay. If you see in this video, there's another video I made that how much we were going to dump. I said 27.5, 27.6. It was, I think, this video right here. At 27,800, some sort of dump. I would say let's right now say 28.5. And once we hit 28.5, we will see how bad the dump is. But it's going to consolidate here for a little while. Your altcoin needs to pump a little bit, right, for them to dump, or else they'll go down, or else they'll go down the drain, right? So yeah, Bitcoin hit $30,000, guys. Aren't you excited? Okay, so this dump was, you know, projected in our updates, right? So nothing to worry about. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to. I wouldn't worry until Bitcoin stays in this line, then I wouldn't be worried. If even it comes back down one more time, I would not be worried. If Bitcoin comes back down to this level like that, I don't think it's going to happen. But even if it comes down to 27,200, I would not be worried that, hey, what's happening, right? But yeah, this is what was expected. But I do think Bitcoin could surprise us right now and pump to $31,000. $31,000, man. We could just spend a few days instead of coming down. We would just spend a few days, like that, and then boom to $31,000 or $32,000. That's the next target. I think this is where you would consolidate. If you look at the daily, then it looks like we might between $31,000, $32,000 would be the target for Bitcoin. Next target up, and consolidate before we move back higher up to $35,000. Okay, that's how I see Bitcoin going up. What happened to my music? How's everyone, man? What's happening with my likes? Guys, come on. Yo, bro, I haven't slept since 2 days. Constantly trading like a junkie. And I'm here, still came. I was feeling I'm supposed to go on a date right now. Because I've been avoiding my date for 2 days. She's been calling me. I was like, no, man, I'm trading. So, yeah, I didn't do nothing. I didn't even shower. Just ate on this table, trade on this table, did everything on this table. Okay. But it was crazy. So now it's time for me to shower and go on a date. I just wanted to give you an update. Okay. I will see you tomorrow. All right. Later.